What is a storyboard? The term storyboard is taken from movie production, where it indicates a visual representation of the various scenes in a film. In e-learning, the storyboard describes screen by screen what the finished e-lessons will be like. The storyboard is not the final product. It is an intermediate product, which is used by e-learning developers to create the final course lessons. For each lesson, the instructor does the following: reviews the content that is to be published, selects the instructional technique which is most appropriate to present that type of content, determines the sequence of the content and lessons, creates a storyboard which specifies which media elements will appear in each screen of the lesson. The elements of a storyboard include text, images, other media, and interactive questions. When creating a storyboard for an interactive e-lesson, the instructor organizes the content into a sequence which corresponds to the screens in the final course lessons. Storyboards do not have to be produced by Alison publishers. However, they are a structure for organizing content and media elements that some publishers may find useful. Remember to include the basic components of a lesson if you are creating a storyboard. This will include the list of learning outcomes, an introduction slide or slides, the main lesson content, and finally, the lesson summary. See the video Designing Effective E-Lessons for more information on developing course content.